It was a beautiful sunny day. Ummu Salaamah took little Timtim to a very special place, the zoo.
Timtim.
Yes, Habibti. Today we will learn about Allah's amazing animals. Ummu Salaamah smiled and said, Bismillah, let's go see Allah's wonderful creation.
Hey, Timtim ready. Let's go, Mama.
Timtim ran through the gate ready to explore.
Mama, what is this?
Timtim saw something amazing, a big beautiful lion sitting on the rocks. That's a lion, Asad. Can you say it? Lion, Asad.
Lion, Asad. Wow!
Then Timtim heard a loud trumpet sound. There was a big gentle elephant by the water.
Mama, what's this? Big.
That's an elephant. Feel. Allah, look how big Allah made the elephant. Can you say it?
Elephant's feel.
Timtim walked to the next area. She looked up. Something very, very tall.
Mama. Go.
Yes, baby. That's a giraffe.
Giraffe?
Yes. Subhanallah. Allah made the giraffe so tall. It can reach the highest leaves. Can you say it?
Yes.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Zarafah.
Zarafah.
Next, Timtim walked into a beautiful place. Colorful birds flying everywhere.
Mama, it's flying.
MashaAllah. Allah made birds so they can fly high in the sky. Can you say it?
Yes. Bird. Coloring. Hungry one.
We've learned so many animals. So many animals. Now it's your turn, explorers. Which of these animals do you know? Alright, that's amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.